Hey guys, Dylan here from BR Consulting. So today I'm going to be showing you how to install and set up a new Vuetify and VueJS project. Now I'm going to be using Vuetify with VueJS 2. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to do a curl to add the public key from the yarn repo to our keyring. So we're going to do this command. If you want all the commands to copy and paste and stuff like that, there is a link in the description to which you can refer to just go ahead and copy paste stuff so that you don't have to, actually visually copy it. So yeah, we're going to first do this curl command. That is going to ask us for our sudo password. And then we're going to do an echo command to add the yarn repo to our sources list. So we're going to do this. Now that is going to drop this line onto a file on this path, which is etc apt sourceslist.d yarn list. So once we've done that, we can go ahead and do an update and then install yarn. So in my case, I already have it installed, so it shouldn't take too long.
Maybe it updates it. I'm not sure. So it's gonna do this. It's gonna fetch all the files.
And oh, I didn't have it installed, or I had to. Yeah, I had to update it. Okay. So once we've done that, we can do yarn global add at Vue-CLI. So that is going to add Vue to our console. And once we've done that, we can basically just create our Vue project with Vue-CLI or CLI. So we're going to do Vue create test project. And it's going to ask us, hey, what do you want to use, Vue 3 or Vue 2? I'm going to use Vue 2 because it's what this is about and what I know how to use. Okay, now that it's installed, we can go ahead and do a cd change directory to our test project folder, and we can do yarn serve. But before doing that, I wanted to tell you about 3 really useful Vue modules, extensions, or whatever they're called, which are obviously Vuetify, which is what we wanted to add first. And we also can use i18n for localization, and then Vue router for routing. So Vue add Vuetify. That's going to add our Vuetify plugin. Choose a preset. I'm going to use the default. So that added Vuetify, and now we're going to add i18n, which is the localization. I'm not going to commit this repo because it's just a tutorial repo, but yeah. The default locale is English, so I'm going to leave it at that. And then fallback is also English. Directory, well, you can choose where the localization messages will be stored. I'm just going to leave it as locales. Enable locale messages in single file components. Yes. And then bridge to migrate from 9x to 826. I'm just going to leave the default, which is no. And then it's going to start installing the module. Once you've done that, you should have i18n installed, and now we're going to do Vue add router. So that is going to install the Vue-CLI plugin router. Use history mode. Yes is the default, so let's leave that in. And there we go. So now if we go ahead and open that directory in VS Code, I'm gonna go ahead and go to that directory, which should be, actually I'm just gonna straight up open it from here. So code dot, let's open the, I trust the authors because they're me. And here, as you can see, we have all the files for a basic Vuetify or Vue.js project. So if we go ahead and here you can do yarn serve, this is going to start your server, your development server. Now the first time it's going to take a bit, but you should be able to do it. It should be faster than the next time. And you're going to do HTTP localhost 8080. And this is going to load your Vuetify page. Now, as you can see, it's using router. When you change to about, it changes to /about. And if you change stuff, it should, on the fly, modify what you're seeing on the browser. So let's check this out. We're going to go to components. Hello world, I believe it is. Important links. Yes, this is it. Let's see if we change that. Yes, it hot reloads. So it has this function which is hot reloading, which is really cool. Once you change something and save the file, it reloads. So basically, if I wanted to go ahead and let's say, I don't know, delete this V row, which has the ecosystem stuff, you'll see that it already got deleted. So we can basically comment stuff and it's going to get deleted in real time. So yeah, well, this is not really a tutorial on how to use Vue, but this should get you started on how to create a project and you know, start experimenting with it. It is really awesome and really easy to use. Yeah, I hope this was useful for you, and have a nice day.